responsible. This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone had a great holiday weekend and is ready for a great week. First thing I need everyone to tell me is, how does the mic sound? I have a new headset and I'm not sure the volume levels on it. Is it good? Is it bad? Too loud, too low? Hey, Jazz, a little muffled. I'm feeling my headset broke last week. I have a feeling I shouldn't have went cheap on the replacement. Let me see what I can do. Muffled. Wonderful. Any better? Hold on. Maybe that's it. No. How about now? Is this any better? Any better? Okay, good. Okay, so I think I know what I need to do besides maybe get a better headset. Anyway, good morning, everybody. Third anniversary of MightyOxTrading. Let's look at our levels overnight, and then we'll look at trading and start talking about the third. Maybe pick our first winner of the evals. Thanks, Tift. Okay, let's see here. ES 56.69 all the way down to 56.26. Wow, 43 points in range. NQ 501 all the way down there. No, that's not right. 683 all the way down to 445. It's harder math. About 240 points. The big drop overnight. Copper dropping like a rock. About 130 ticks. Ultra bond rising. About 3/4 of a point. Gold. Who cares about gold? We're looking at platinum this month for September. The platinum challenge, but 22 points in range on gold. Crude, big drop. Wow, big drop, over 2-point drop. And Bitcoin's still hanging above 60, barely hanging on 59K. So that's always set standard whatever body posture you're choosing to take today. How's everybody doing? Jazz, Expat, Robin, Tip, glad to have you here. GG Trade, first of all, thank you and glad to have you here. The 100K sale is going until the end of the day tomorrow. The 75% on everything else runs throughout the end of the month. And we're short. Maybe I might have copied it wrong. If you're copying it for me, hold on, give me 1 second, and I'll give you the code again that they sent. Make sure I could have got it wrong. It's quite possible. Someone tell me what's going on with my trade. Flexy. There we go. Try this and see if that works. Make sure there's no space on the end of it. Morning. Happy Taco Tuesday to you, Mr. G. How are you today? This trade's not going my way. Spike down and then right back up. As Mr. G says, that is our only news report today at 10. Stopped out. So that's not a good way to start the week. Glad to hear that, G. You need to get healthy so you can start enjoying, I'm sure, the slightly better weather down there. Huh. I wonder. Yeah, they messed up a lot with that. GG, they even had the date wrong. They had Wednesday, September 5th. I had to tell them that was Thursday. So they corrected that. Oh, well, hopefully that starts getting better. Of course, I did also see that there's tropical waves, so I don't know if they're heading towards you. I think after stream today, I might order a better headset. So, let's see. 20 people here already. All right. It's almost like I have CFT here. No, okay. Let me post up here on Discord. Nope, that's not what I want to post on the Discord. That's not what I want to post either. Where is it? I keep moving my stuff around. What do you think? Really? Okay. So NQ reverse back up, back to 500. Hanging there. They don't have a Discord that I know about, GG. So just mine and other Discords. I know I trust Cal, and Cal said he got paid. He was denied last month, got paid this month. So, and Charlie Baker said he knows of some people who have gotten paid. The thing about them is once you're funded, you can't flip days. You have to trade it legitimately once every 5 days. So they only pay out once a month at the end of the month. So let's say you hit, let's say you make $10,000 in the first 10 days, and you say, well, I just want to fund out, and I pay out request and wait for it. They don't allow that. You got to legitimately trade, at least once every 5 days in order to get your payout. Yes, popping up there too. Dow popping. Platinum's popping a bit. Let's go over to Gleam and let me see how this works. I've never did a multiple thing, so I don't know if it lets me pick one at a time or I think it allows me. We had 1,295 entries in the multiple prop firm eval giveaway. Let's see. If it draws them all at once, then I'll just announce them slowly. There we go. It does allow me to do so. Okay. First winner of the Legends Trading 50K evaluation is Chris Allen. If anyone named here is Chris Allen, let me know. If not, you'll get an email. We'll draw another one later. All right, Mr. G, give me a minute. I'll find your link and I will get that posted up for everybody. This Mr. G's Mr. G's YouTube channel, Winning Wall Street's Money. Here's the link. Lots of good information there. We're choppy here on the NQ. And if I had not just jumped into that trade and looked, I would have realized we were choppy here and not taken that last trade, but that's okay. You're very welcome, Mr. G. Thank you for being a part of MightyOxTrading for as long as you have been. I definitely appreciate you. Boeing hasn't had a good year. Hello, Trade Up to Crypto. Welcome. ThinkQ rises slowly. So at 10:30 Eastern, I will be going on camera. I'm talking to all of you, actually, where you can see my face. Thank you, David. I appreciate that. Thank you for being a part of it. The market just needs to cooperate. Gigi, are you in the United States or another country? Sorry, Mr. G. I was talking to GG Trade. Sorry. Lots of G's, even though G-Man's no longer here. South Africa. Oh. Yeah, your options are limited. I'm trying to get a tool built where you're able to put in your country and it'll tell you all the different prop firms that allow your country, but so far I haven't got that built. Yeah, Mr. G, he made a call one day and nobody took his call, and he got all mad and told me what he was leaving the community. He wasn't going to try and help anyone again. Thank you, Trade Up. Appreciate that. Yeah. So, I mean, this time I appreciate the help he gave me at times, but don't need the drama. So, kind of hope he stays away this time. And I know he's not banned or anything. He's welcome back, but you know, he got upset whenever someone didn't try and trade his way. So, is what it is, as they say. So my streaming has gotten easier. Mr. CFT, Canadian Futures Trader, sent me an early birthday present, a Stream Deck XL. And boy, I never knew how much I needed a Stream Deck XL. This thing is awesome. I can just hit buttons instead of fumbling around for my streaming software. I can even add hotkeys for trading. It's pretty cool. Should have taken that blue candle. I didn't. We'll see how it goes. But like, I can just hit a button now to do this. Hi, the folks, for that like button as I missed this trade. For it. Let me know that you like me. Like YouTube knows that you like me. It's a hardware box. I mean, it's a thing that's sitting on my desk, and I just hit the buttons. I can program it to do various actions. And look at this. This is rubbing it into me. 15-point candle here off this blue. Yeah, it is very awesome. How you doing today, John? Thank you. Walmart and Kroger are ready to go. He hands that to her. Now that your hoses. Sorry about that, guys. I'm back. Can you all still hear me okay with this mic? Okay, good. JC, thank you. So, John and JC, thank you very much. And thank you for being a part of this community for, all that you have. You've been very, very much appreciated. Thank you, Speed Racer. Good morning. We are having fun. Platinum's still falling. Platinum's been falling all night. For those of you that got into the Platinum Challenge, I think if you were going short last night and just stayed in, you would already have passed your eval. Whoosh. Maybe not quite, but depending on the contract. Platinum just falling. So I'm waiting for the bounce. Thank you, Spectastics. Thank you, JC. Yeah, my headphone broke last week, and I went for like the cheaper model because I could get here the next day. Apparently, I shouldn't have went for the cheaper model. Let me see if I can adjust that some more. How's that? How's that sound any better? I may just have to consider this sunk cost. Okay. Well, maybe I'll just order the model I had. I have to see what that was. Let's see. Yeah, I guess I'll have to splurge and spend a little money. Yeah, I mean, I know you'll get used to it, but remember, I'm going to be doing an interview this coming week with somebody, and I'm going to be I try to get getting more non-live content out. I want it to sound good. If anyone feels like listening to my video that my prop firm discount video from today and tell me if that sounds bad, let me know. I hate listening to myself. I hate the sound of my own voice. So I don't like listen. Taking the short here. Okay. Thank you, Speed Racer. Yeah, I'm at the point now with MightyOxTrading that, I need to it's grown to the point that I need to make sure I'm putting out quality where I can. Chris, thank you. Good morning. Appreciate that. No 8:30 news today. Gold's falling big time. Whoosh. We're moving my target up to right on the 100 EMA. There we go. Target hit. So there was 8 points. 7 3/4. There we go. Did the ching sound work? Still trying out the Stream Deck. Good. Excellent. Tip, yeah, CFT, Canadian Futures Trader, bought me an early birthday present. He bought me a Stream Deck XL. So now I get to make streaming easier and where I can just hit a button to do things. So I didn't know how much I needed a Stream Deck XL until I had a Stream Deck XL. Thank you, Market Trend. Good morning. How was your weekend? How was everybody's holiday weekend? Speaking of birthday, that'll be our next special stream next Tuesday, September 10th. We'll be streaming all day with RJ Wheel on the mic with me from 8 a.m. Eastern to 4 p.m. Eastern. 8-hour stream. Stream Deck XL. It's here. I'll give you a link so you can look at it. It's basically you can just hit buttons instead of worrying about messing with your stream software. You can also program hotkeys into it. Yeah, here you go. Did you find it? Yeah, it's very nice. Hanging on that 100 EMA. And I was very surprised when I saw what he said. He asked for my address so he could send something. I had no idea it was going to be that. Oh, we're one win, one loss on the day. Thank you, Charlie. Appreciate that. Good morning to you, Mr. Charlie Baker. Appreciate all the tips and the help you've given me since we've met a few months ago. It is very much appreciated. You know, you're all thanking me. I mean, you're all congratulating me on 3 years, but you know, a lot of this community is because of all of you. You've stuck by me. And I'll talk more about this when I go on camera at 10:30. But you know, the amount of support I've gotten over the last 3 years has just been incredible. Just plugged into a USB port, Mr. G. No other power cord or anything. Thank you, Charlie. You do make it better. I'm glad you've become part of it. Oh, I got it on Friday, so I'm still learning. But I mean, it's pretty easy. You know, I've had to look up some YouTube stuff on YouTube, but it's pretty darn easy. Big purple candle here. Short. That's gonna bounce. I bet you it's gonna bounce. So ATR. It bounced. I say that. See where it goes. Yep. Back up, touching the 9. Back up through the 20. It's going to stop me out. Full stop. Yep. The market doesn't want to agree with my day today so far. That's okay. Anyone else taking any trades this morning? Back down. Watch me regret not putting my stop at the top of that candle like I should have. And watch this come right back down. So let's pick another winner. Let's see. Let's do the Funded Futures Network, 50K. Jacob Felix. If anyone hears that. If not, I'll email later on. You've won the Funded Futures Network 50K account. That account is good for 1 year, so you don't need to worry about paying each month. Or almost all these other accounts are just 1 month. Look at this pop. Wow. Second big pop I've missed now. And 2 winners thus far. If you missed entering this giveaway, we do have one more running on the Discord for my Funded Futures account. Ivan Austin, hello, welcome. I'm sure I recognize your name. Are you new? Or have I forgotten you because of my early onset Alzheimer's? Part of me thinks we're going to bounce today and we have started to bounce. What's Platinum doing? That's Palladium. Platinum's all right. How you doing today? John DeFore, how was golf over the weekend? Pulls back again. All right, G. We'll keep an eye on that. Watching NQ rise. Oh yeah, UNRV. Short. Nice, kind of leveling out there. Looks like it wants to bounce. Natural gas, big fall. NQ looks like it's trying to fight upwards. The news in the prop firm world. Looks like Fast Track Trading is going to have some competition. Tradify is going to be coming out with direct to funded this week. We also have a brand new prop that is static accounts only. Matt LaRocco, good morning. Thank you for being here, Matt. You have been a big part of this community and this stream for a long time, and I definitely appreciate you. Thank you. And we're sitting here right at 510. Market is not bending to my will today. Nice job on platinum today, Matt. Hey, Mike, thank you very much. My first firm was Earn to Trade. No, I lied. My first firm was Topstep. I just saw that. Very nice. Yeah. Yeah, it can be. Definitely a slow market. We'll just wait till I pick a currency like the British pound next month. For those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, and you can still get in if you wanted to, we're having a little challenge on the Discord. Basically, you buy a cheap eval or whatever eval you want. If you want to do an expensive eval, you can, and you're just trying to pass it, trading only platinum. It's not a race. It's just to see how many people can pass trading only platinum. Just a fun little community event. We have like 19 people involved this month. We did agriculture last month. This month, just platinum. Just for fun. All right. Thank you, Matt, for letting. Yeah, that's weird. Wonder if they'll. I'll have to send a message, see if we can get some things at it. Wonder what else they don't allow. I'll have to check that. Morning, Juan. Thank you very much. How are you? Yeah, some places don't like the lower volume stuff. Like I think TradeDay probably doesn't allow platinum either. There's actually a micro platinum now too, and I bet you that gets like 5 contracts a day. So we picked 2 winners so far. We'll pick another one after the top of the hour. It really is amazing to see how much this community has grown and what this has become for me and for us. You know, when I started this, I promoted one firm, and that was Earn a Trade. And ironically, I no longer even get sales on Earn a Trade. Trade up? No, we have not. It's possible we can do that one in the future. Absolutely. This is only our second month doing these challenges. So last month was agriculture. This month is platinum. Always open to trying something new next month as long as we continue to have interest in it. Absolutely. Okay, Hassan. I wasn't sure. I know that there's some things that they don't allow that's lower volume. How are you today, Hassan? Did you get any sleep? And you haven't won yet. Hassan is adamant that he's going to win one of the prizes today. Oh, he typed well while sleeping. We are choppy. We are very choppy. It's a Monday. I was surprised at how much movement there was overnight. One day we should have been trading overnight. Beautiful, John. So it's still perfect, right? Crude big dip there before it's open. Wow, big dip. That's a 45, 46 tick 5-minute candle. Are you traded on the holiday? You traded on the holiday, John? Oh, this fall on crude. See that beautiful purple candle there on the 5. Would have been perfect. Good morning, RJ. How are you? Makes sense. Guys, I made up a calendar for events for September. Never knew I was going to need a calendar of events, but here is our September events so far. More may be added, but of course, today's the anniversary celebration. September 10th is an 8-hour stream with Mr. RJ Wheel from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. September 11th, For Money, aka Robin, will join us live. Like one of the top 50 earners from Apex. I think she's approaching $500,000 now. On the 13th, I'm streaming at the FFN Discord. September 20th, we have a Europe stream with RJ from 2:30 to 11:30 a.m. On September 24th, CFT returns, joins us live. Then on the 27th, I'm also streaming at the FFN Discord. So I have a couple feelers out to a couple other people that might join us one of these days that are still open. We'll see. And we'll continue to fall back down to the 100 EMA on the NQ. Approaching the top of the hour, 5 minutes to go. 10:30. Of course, I'll be going on camera. But the few times I appear on camera, I need to get better lighting. Ooh, whoosh. I'm trying to find a whoosh sound that I can use. Now that I have the Stream Deck. So you saw that purple candle there? I didn't kind of trust it. And I should have. Both of these would have worked, actually. That's just me kind of zoning out. Excuse me, it's the anniversary. I'm doing a whole bunch of things. But look at this fall. I see NQ falling. I ain't afraid of falling, but I hate it on the ground. I think it wants to bounce. Took the bounce that may be my demise. Yep, my demise. And that's okay. Well, maybe. Come on back up. Gold coming down. Platinum kind of just sitting there. Top of the hour coming up here in 38 seconds. Teasing me. It's got within a tick of my stop. I think it's still going to stop me. Wow. Oh, there's the stop out. Top of the hour. To get all my hotkeys set up, I'll be able to just actually just sit back and trade without, as long as I don't have to type anything. With the Stream Deck and all, I'll be able to just hit whatever buttons I need. Morning, Mr. Burrell. How are you? Still falling. Whooshy whoosh whoosh. I forgot to play those after the last loss. That sounded really loud in my headset. How loud was that? I need to find a different sound. Too loud. Okay, well, I won't use that anymore, I promise. It's hard to test these things. We'll keep with the ching. We'll get rid of that. Sorry, I didn't mean to chase anybody away. It might not be a good time to remind people to go to the like button. So, my apologies on that. Probably should test this stuff better. I already removed it from the stream deck. That way I don't accidentally hit it. Maybe bouncing here, getting all the way down to 463. What's for our low of day? Low of day down to 445, so we're not far away. 249, Mike. There's a bounce. It's also nice, as long as I remember, I can now mute the mic by just hitting a button on the stream deck. Did I mention how much I really love the stream deck? So popping back up to 483. Oh, right back down. Let's pick another winner. Tell you what, let's pick both winners of the Phidias 50K evals. Do both at once. Marcos and Grace Saz. Either of you are here, let me know. Not, you'll get an email. Hey, Mohit, how's it going? So far, none of the winners are people I recognize the name of. How's everyone else doing so far this morning? I like this blue candle here. I might take it if it gets above the 9. Yeah. Didn't get above the 9, just kind of hanging out there. We are just 21 minutes from the bell. So far, the winners have been, one second, Chris Allen, Jacob Felix, Marcos, and Grace Saz. We still have 3 more winners to announce, or pick and then announce. Purple candle, just kind of like it. We had that nice move down, popped up, down again. There's a blue candle. And if it closes above the 9, we'll take it. If it doesn't, we won't. We're in. It looks like it's going to come right back down and stop me out. So far today, the market has not been kind to my extreme adversary. All right. That's okay. And don't worry, I won't play the lost sound. We'll get a better sound. Oh. Looking back at some of my earlier streams, it's hard to believe how much the quality has gotten better. Hey, Brad, yeah, I got a new cheap headset. Mine broke the other day. Apparently, I shouldn't have went cheap. I'll have to get something better. Yes, Ace, 3 years. Good morning to you. And thank you, Rad. Thank you, Ace. Yeah. Nah, birthday is next Tuesday, bro. Thank you. We're kind of hanging here. It's going to try and give me another blue candle. See what happens. Just hanging here, 19,475. Less than 15 minutes to go to the bell. How you feeling, Ace? How was your weekend? Good. Glad to hear that. Anyone else taking any trades this morning as we head to the bell? There So that works. I entered a trade on topstep. That then entered on a mini. Ended it up on 6 micros. This is a topstep eval. The last of my 5 evals that 4 have gotten funded. We're trying to get this one funded. Took it on topstep instead of MyFundedFutures since MyFundedFutures hasn't been going well today. It needs to break through that 20 EMA. Oh, great. I hate it when he looks for a short when I'm long. There we go. Go, go, go. It's been great on a mini, but boom. I'll take it. $100 trade, 6 micros. First trade of the day on this new top step eval that just got reset. Thank you, Ace. Oh, I can do the cha-ching. $10 minutes till the bell. Rises up. I did put my original target on that trade at the 100 EMA, and it hit it, so I should have held in, but that's okay. And pulls back. And we're continuing to rise up. So where are we going to go at the bell? Looks like it wants to pop up based on the hourly chart, but not like I'm going to just jump in on that. What's Platinum doing? Platinum's still falling. This has been a great purple candle to take, but I didn't watch it. I need to set up alerts on Platinum. Now all I need is one more screen. Stream Deck makes this awesome. I just need one more screen to have a little bit more real estate. I'm looking for longs in all the wrong places. And yes, I'm breaking into song today. I try to cut it back now, most streams, but today we will sing. It is Rise Up. I see NQ arising. I see profits on the way. We'll announce the next winner after the bell once things settle out. There we go. All right. Good luck, Ace.
Today's market open is brought to you by MyFundedFutures, my new #1 futures prop firm with evaluations that are very trader friendly, prices that are very inexpensive with no funded setup fees, makes this the best accounts in the futures space. Just $76 all in with a 50K, $209 for 150K. Remember, no setup fees. End the day draw down, you have a path to live and a payout. If there's 5 winning days, MyFundedFutures is right for just about any trader, except for super scalpers. Join MyFundedFutures today, my #1 prop firm.
Nice drop there for Ace. I'm getting a purple candle too. I decided not to trust it. It's sitting right on the 100, but it looks like it's going to break. Whoop, and I should have trusted it. Nice. Still on, Ace? Yeah, I should have trusted the purple. A little sad that I didn't, but we'll get something after the bell. Yawn. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, yeah. Boom, boom, boom. I love this. Just being able to press a button now and be able to do these things. Are you holding through the bell, Ace, on that runner, or are you going to get out? Ooh. Whoosh. It'll bounce back out right before the bell. Green candle. Less than 30 seconds. Yep. Now you're out, Ace. Spiked up, spiked down. You got 5 or did you get more? Ooh, whoosh. Whoosh and NQ, not an ES, so some divergence there. Nice, Ace. Great job. Is that your best trade since you've been back? Whoosh. Someone just gave me a whoosh sound that I can add into the stream deck later. Wow. Big drop. A new low day? Is it? Wrong window? Yes, new low day, 440, 433. See, low of Friday, it was all the way down at 370. Yeah, I mean, I had it. I just haven't. I don't want to mess with adding stuff to the stream deck while I'm actually streaming. I will get that added today. It'll be available for tomorrow's stream. Ooh, Look at this bounce. Wow, stopped me right out. Okay, we are not having a good day on the MyFundedFutures account today. Dang. Looked like a bounce, but whoosh. Now ES is whooshing too. Sorry about the yawn. So while I'm yawning, I slept a good bunch this weekend. Excuse me hold on 1 second. Sorry about that. I'm back. Still coming down. Wow, just continuing to fall. One sec, I'll be right back. Back. Sorry about that. Coming down to this other resistance line from the indicator I've been trying out. See if it cut right through that one. Let's see how it does with this one. This may be a bounce. Maybe not. Maybe so. We're going to go long. I was late and stop. Wow. Okay. So, looking like it's ready to bounce here. Let's pick our next winner of an eval. Find my thingy. There it is. Let's do the Take Profit Trader. Now, if you are the winner of the Take Profit Trader, I'm waiting to hear back from them. See, I get a free one each month that I can give away. I'd have to wait until they send me the code, though. I put in that request over the weekend. So let's draw it. Winner of the Take Profit Trader 50K account is, I may mess up this name, Deunta Deunta Stewart. If you're here, congratulations. If not, I will email as soon as I get that code. Still have the Bulenox and the MyFundedFutures to give away. Yeah, we're still falling. Not afraid of falling, but we hate it on the ground. Gold. Look at gold dumping. Everything is kind of dumping today. Crude. Wow, crude went right off the screen. Crude's down. Natural gas is down. Gold's down. Platinum's down. Ultra Bond's happy. The contrarian today. And copper's down. Bitcoin's down. I think you're catching the theme. How we doing, guys? Hopefully you're doing better than I am. Sitting here. Sitting on the dock of the bay. But candles form. Where's my top step window? Still falling. Blue candle trying to get above the 9. So far it's not working. Big candles. ATR is 20. Fighting the 9. And losing. In on a top step. See if it holds the 9. Not holding the 9. I'm out. Darn it. It might pop back up, but that was a very small win. Y'all got very quiet. It's supposed to be a party. Ouch. Sorry to hear that. RJ? It's popping back up. Those big candles were all moving. Or we were. Kind of stagnant here. As it fights the 9 EMA. All right, RJ. Just remember, no revenge trading. I figured, but I just wanted to make sure. Still struggling here. It was a blue candle. I just don't know. I should have stayed in on this blue. I admit I'm not trading my best today. I might have a little wrench being thrown into the plans here. Is there news today? Yes. Not a lot of news. At coming up in 12 minutes, we have US ISM manufacturing PMI coming up. That's it, basically. Anyway, we have a little wrench thrown into place. Normally, I get my groceries on Monday after the stream ends because of the holiday. We're getting the groceries coming in here maybe right around the time that I'm going to be going on camera. So we'll see. Hopefully, it's a little bit before. But we'll figure it out. Saudi guy, did you get your quant tower issues figured out? Back down. Could not break the 20 yet. After the top of the hour, we'll announce another winner. It's a red day right now for me, Saudi guy. Why is it that bad, Ace? Yeah, I'll have to replace it. It's not the microphone that's broken, it's the headset. Like the one thing is just dangles. It broke from the. When I go on camera, I'll show it. Like I said, I went cheap. The headset that broke's like a $200 headset, and I bought a $20 headset to replace it. Whooshing more. I didn't trust it, but I should have. I gotta get better at that. My cat says hello. Let me try one other change with the mic. If it's any better that way. Okay, Ace, any better? Any different? Popping back up? Okay. And I'm out of stuff to try. I'll have to just buy another headset. We're free falling. JJR, are you here today? If so, how are you? Oh, hi. My groceries have arrived. So you'll probably hear me making sounds, but I'll be able to stay on the mic. But that way won't have to try and put them away while I'm on camera, which is a win. And you can all tell me what the market's doing. Nice blue candle pop here, possibly. Hey, JJR, how are you doing? So I bought a new headset because mine broke and apparently it sucks. So I'm going to have to buy another new one. Is it that bad? You're going to have to deal with it until at least Thursday because that's as soon as Amazon can get here. So it's horrible. Okay. Wonderful. Give me a minute, guys. No. It's going to be okay, guys. It's going to be okay. Only I knew what I do with the other dongle. I was going to plug the other one in, but I can't find the dongle for it. And I just had it this morning as I was moving stuff around on my desk. This is why I'm just not organized. No, look at that. Market tried to come back up, right back down. There it is. Oh, yeah, news hit. Good point. That's me not paying attention. Me breaking my webcam. Okay. So give me a couple and I will. Look at that bounce. Huge bounce. Got down to 308, bounced up to 382. Wow. Thank you, Pegasus. Thank you, William. Okay, I'm fighting groceries and audio issues. A couple minutes, we'll pick the next winner. Not the 3rd anniversary stream I wanted. Well, it keeps on slipping and slipping and slipping into the future. So rising up here, or trying to. Will the news be the bounce? Have we found the bottom? Lots of those are some canned foods, not like frozen. Is that Ebola or E. coli? And at my age, I'm birthday in 7 days, I could use some Botox. Markin, yeah, you only go long. That makes sense, Burrow. Hey guys, I'm gonna go silent for a minute, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna try something.
Can you hear me? Do I sound better? I'm back on the broken headset. It's dangling off of my ear. But I'll make it work. Well, yeah, so I'll have to get a replacement as soon as possible because this is going to bug the heck out of me. But I'll make it work. Yeah, nothing's going right this 3rd anniversary, but we're making it work. Next week's stream on Tuesday with RJ would be much better. I get a lot of cheese, actually. Way too much cheese. So while the market's continuing to die, let's pick another winner. As soon as I find the thing, there we go. This will be for the Bulenox 50K. Dave Thomas? Isn't he the founder of Wendy's? Oh. I think I know who this is. Continuing to fall. That was cheese. So my cheap headphones. This is what happens when you try to go cheap. It just doesn't work out. I have the box. I'm going to see if I can send these headphones back. Amazon will take anything back. Is that where I got it from? Yeah, Amazon. And we do have a bounce here finally. We did have a couple of bounces that would have worked for small amounts. But so far, nothing wonderful. Watch this go up in the afternoon all day. Well, platinum, I could have just went short on platinum. I've already passed that challenge. Look at ooh. Screw it. I just went long on platinum. We'll see what happens. I'll keep you updated. I have no idea how big my stop is. I think it's $200. Sure, Mike? Never heard of that. Oh yeah, I actually do have a stand-up mic for the desk like that, but like I need more room on my desk. Excellent, JC. Burrell, I think we might head lower until FOMC when they announce the rate cuts.
Sorry about the background noise today, guys. Like I said, holiday totally threw this off. I'm going to write a complaint into the U.S. government about scheduling a holiday on my stream anniversary. It's going to be a strongly worded letter. Oh, I'm sorry. That Nightbot's been running incorrect. It's 83% now. I've totally forgot to change the Nightbot. Anymore, whenever the sale changes, I have to change things in like 22 places. I need to hire an assistant. Still falling. It's breaking 300. ES is down to 55.91. Wow, look at the Dow. Whoosh. Stabbed myself in the chest with a 2-liter bottle of Coke Zero. If I picked my nose like I picked the bottoms here, I'll have a bloody nose. I do love the fact that I can just hit a button now to mute the mic on my Stream Deck. Again, especially CFT isn't here, but a big thank you to CFT for the early birthday gift of the Stream Deck XL. Still didn't win, Hassan. I'm about to get stopped out on Platinum. That was a bad pick, too. We'll do better. And Q, did it find a bottom? We don't know. I'm going to stop trying to pick them. Just hanging here at 300, but then whooshes down again, down to 283. It may just never stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Still in the Platinum trade, down 140. I can even show that. There's my Platinum trade. Got in, I'm not sure how I got in that late, but I got in at the top tick so far. So that was really good. I should have got in on this tick, but I was muted. 27-point candle here. Do we try it? If it holds? It's not holding the 9. Nope, not holding the 9. Probably still going to go up, but I didn't like that it didn't hold the 9, but it would have worked. How's everyone else doing so far? You say, RJ, you say you got back in? You took a trade? Nice. CFT, you must have went short. I'm down. I tried to catch the bounce. I'm dumb. Great job, RJ. You mean on rules and stuff, David? I mean, I'm probably as knowledgeable as anybody. DCast has already passed the Platinum Challenge. Starter plan or expert plan, David? They pay you fully out. If it's a 50K size, you can earn up to $6,000. They pay you fully out, and they start you with a brand new balance in the live account. $12,000 for the 100K, $18,000 for the 150K. You start brand new. They do not move your live sim money to the live account. Sitting on the 9 EMA here, so just above 300. It's another reason why I consider the starters probably the best accounts in futures, because I mean, just pretty much everything going for it. I think you need, okay, so from what I understand is you need to be taking payouts along the way. You still need, like, so let's say if you accumulate your 6,000 in 5 trading days, you can only take 1,200 out at a time, and then you need to have 5 more winning days, take out another 1,200. So that's why I did that. Yeah, in about 7 minutes, Ace. Does that make sense what I said, David? Because then it's a little confusing. Basically, it's 5 payouts of up to $1,200, or whatever. So need to continue getting 5 winning days, even if you get to that 6,000 amount on the 50K. I don't think. I think you just. It doesn't. I think they dissipate. I mean, I think that might be one of the drawbacks. Now that I'm thinking about it, you can tag Sage on the Discord if you want and get clarification. He's on there. He usually responds at some point. It might not be right away. Technically, Matt Leach is on the Discord too, but Sage would probably know better. It's kind of hanging here. Did Platinum stop me out, or did it burst back up? Wow, look at this, guys. Hold on. Look how close I came to getting stopped out, and now this big blue candle. Oops. I'll have to continue to watch that. Right, exactly, David. Basically, they want to see people go, steady, because that's the kind of thing they want to see once they move you to live, since that's the point they're risking your funds. The Platinum trade is now green. And Q also heading up now. Platinum trade's back to break even. Usually you can't see Ghost, so I'm not sure how we're seeing. Oh, hello, Ghost. How you doing? Perfect response, Ace. Perfect. So let me pick the last winner here. One prize remaining. It's the MyFundedFutures 50K. Let's draw the winner. Jeremy the Johnson. You're the winner of the MyFundedFutures. So I'll be emailing everybody with their codes and stuff. You can't win if you don't enter ace. Yep, can't just show up. You gotta actually enter. But ace, you're a winner in our hearts. Boom, 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 boom. Rejecting. So let's do this, I guess. Good morning, guys. 3rd anniversary. How's everybody doing? So, headphone. That's what I'm having to deal with. It doesn't sit tight against my ear. Tried to tape it, didn't work. So, I will try to get another set. This is what I shouldn't have went cheap, but I was looking for something quick. Thank you. It's available in the MightyOxTrading store. You can have one. Everybody can have one. So 3 years, guys. Can you imagine? I know, I'm not sure anyone's been here since the very start. But it's been quite the amazing thing. I mean, watching this community grow and the support you guys have given me. I'm watching that beautiful move down on NQ. But the support you guys have given me has been life-changing for me. And I want everyone to realize that, because yeah, I know you all thank me for being here and thank me for doing the streams and for the community and all that. But it's me that has you to thank, because especially over the last year, but just the entire 3 years, you've kept me going, you've kept me trading, you've kept the community going. Because I mean, there are some times in the last 3 years I've had some very dark times. I've probably quit trading like 300 times, but even just that, life was dark for me many times. And coming out of the whole amputation thing, it's almost 5 years ago now. And, this has given me a purpose. It's given me a reason to get up every day. Even when nothing was happening and I was still struggling with everything. Getting up every day to do this kept me going. And a lot of times when those dark thoughts were entering my mind, this is one of the few things that kept me from letting them take over. And that, obviously, things have changed a lot, especially over the last year. Thanks to the support of the community and people that have been using my affiliate links and all that, I've gone from being in very poverty to being, I don't want to say comfortable, but I have no trouble paying my bills now, and I'm paying off back debt, and I'm able to see the light at the end of the tunnel. I still haven't taken a payout from trading. but I know I'm going to get there. And the thing is, a lot of you have stuck with me, even though I haven't been a successful trader. I know some people just move on when they've seen that I've never been consistent, but it's going to get there, and it's getting closer, and I've been feeling that. But this community is becoming amazing. It's becoming bigger and bigger, and it's fun. It's a little overwhelming at times now. My success is driven up to how busy I am. I have companies reaching out that want to work with me. I have people reaching out that want to work with me. I have interviews that people want to do, and it's kind of amazing, and it makes my head swirl at times, but I wouldn't have it any other way. And it's just, it still blows my mind. Back in the day, I've kind of used to consider myself kind of a loner. I've always been an introvert. So the fact that I ever started this in the first place still kind of surprises me. But the fact that I'm 100% comfortable with it, I no longer have nerves on any of this stuff. It's just comfortable for me. And everything you guys have done for me, from the very beginning, CFT and Gabs from Earn the Trade really helped me out in those first couple of days, taught me how to stream, taught me, some of the things about YouTube, and then then Discord comes along about a year later. And, the people that have helped me on the Discord to build that community up, Chef and Justin Eck and Matt LaRocco and CFT and Robin and Shade and LSD. That's a person, not a drug. And lately Greg McNarl have all been, so helpful to me, because there's lots of things I still can't do. I break the Discord anytime I try to make a new rule or make a new something. I break my spreadsheets, and Shade fixes them. And I've just had tremendous support, and I've had tremendous support from all of you in so many different ways, and that's the thing that's amazing to me. When I was really down financially, someone sent me a Christmas card, and then it was a $100 bill. When I was having trouble, thanks to my lousy landlord, with extremely cold temperatures in the house, someone sent me an electric blanket. And I'm happy now. There's been people that have helped me pay for evals or the funding fees after I've passed an eval. And what's really been cool to me now is now I'm in a place that I've been able to give back on that. I've helped a couple people out in the same way in the last couple months, which has always been one of my goals. And like I said, this entire thing for me has been life-changing. And I couldn't be here without you guys. I don't know whatever made me decide to start streaming. I was looking for a way to help people, and Earn the Trade said we'll give you our learning material free, if you promote us. And I could have just started a channel and made a couple videos, and I said, oh, why don't I stream? No idea why. I have no idea why that thought came into my head. No idea. But I'm glad it did. And above all, I've made so many friends. Unfortunately, I lost track of people. It's one bad thing about the internet, about trading, is people kind of just disappear. But, just know that a lot of you are even if you disappear on me, I'm going to remember you all. I still hope to one day have a MightyOxTrading meetup, where we meet up face-to-face somewhere. I need to become more mobile. I need to, now that my other parts of my life are in order, I need to get my health in order. And, I'm not, sick, but I need to get my weight, in order. And I need to get more mobile. I'm still not where I need to be from after the amputation. And then we need to, figure out when we can all meet, whoever wants to do that. A lot of people have shown interest. And we'll do that sometime. And that's not something I can imagine myself ever saying 3 or 5 years ago. Because, like I said, I'm an introvert and I like to just stay away from people. Let me catch up on the comments here quick. By the way, normally you see me without my glasses, and the reason is because you can see I glare off my glasses, but I always wear glasses. Totally, sorry about that, guys. I'm totally blind without them. So let me read the. Thank you, JC. Thank you, John. Thank you, Charlie. Rallo, yes, that's right. You were here from Twitch. That's right. Thank you and Linux, and he's not here today, I don't think, but and thank you, Robin. I appreciate that. Hassan, RJ, yes. Yeah, that's the thing, RJ. I've never tried to hide the fact that I struggle. So many of these people are doing $20,000 trades and hiding the fact when they lose that same 20,000. I do have a trading passion, and I think that happens to most people. It's very hard to quit trading. Like I said, I probably have decided to quit 300 times, maybe up to 10 times in a day, but it's in your blood. Wow, Ace. Wow. Well, I appreciate that too, William. And I do. The future of MightyOxTrading, I have a lot that I want to do. I want to become the #1 resource for futures prop traders. But I need to also figure out how to balance in my own trading, because I don't want MightyOxTrading to just be about prop firms. I want it to be about trading as well, futures trading. So, I'm trying to balance all that. And this prop world has obviously gotten way more wild in the last year. So it's going to be a wild ride, and I have a lot I want to do. It's got to find time. And I thank you, Ace. Everybody's support. Like I said, I'm not sure I would be here without it. And I don't just mean trading. I don't just mean on YouTube. I mean here, without going into more detail on that. There was points that I was that low. So, I would. I won't go further than that. I am very sorry to hear that Forex analysis. Thank you, Speed Racer. Yeah, face reveal. I do show my face now in most of my other videos. Forex, come over the futures if you haven't already. That'd be my first piece of advice. But yeah, face reveal. If I ever lose the weight I want to lose, maybe I'll actually show something below my neck. Right now, I'm very careful not to show below my neck. And I have about 15 minutes to go, and the market's still falling. I want to say that last year when I did the stream anniversary, that we had a big market fall as well. Let's look. And it's been a pleasure to be here every day, even on those mornings I don't want to get up. Yeah, last year we had the stream anniversary on the first, because the second was a Saturday and it was a down day. The market dropped like 200 points. Turn back time. So, yeah, look at that ball. So, yeah, guys, like I said, I really appreciate it. Here's to hopefully many more years till you get tired of me. But no, I mean, I see a future now, which is not something. It was something very hard to see for a long time for me, and that's thanks to all of you. Except for some people don't like them. So, but yeah, I could do that. Yep. CFT, one of my biggest helpers over the few years, giving me pointers whenever I needed it. Support a Stream Deck XL. He's an awesome guy. That's the other thing about this community. At least the people that Charlie Baker, CFT, and I obviously all are big promoters of prop firms, but we're friends and we don't really compete with one another. We bounce ideas off each other. We help each other. We make suggestions, and things. And that's been another big refreshing thing. Is no one feels like someone's getting into their space. They're helping, and that's been really impressive as well. Thank you, Making Melodies. I appreciate that. So I don't really have anything else, I don't think, to say. I hope I conveyed my thoughts well. I don't always do that on the spot, and I don't like writing speeches. But trust me, you guys have been amazing, and I appreciate that. I appreciate everyone that's been here and is no longer here. Wish they'll come back. But then we'll have like 2,600 people here. It'll be kind of weird. But onward and upward for both my trading and for the community and for being a prop firm resource and just trying to help everybody get to where they need to be. That's my goal. I want what's also been a joy, and I mean I haven't had any part in it, but I've seen so many people in my community that were struggling traders, especially in the Discord, blowing accounts left and right, blowing, getting funded and then blowing the funded accounts, and seeing these people now taking payouts. People like Chef and Justin Eck and others. That's been a joy to me. I love seeing other people have success, probably even more than seeing me have success. And I'm hoping that we can continue to do that and help each other figure out how to find success. Yeah, Robin. I mean, Robin has been an absolute inspiration to the community. Taking more and more money from Apex. She'll be here live September 11th. Apex is like top 50, and you're like top 50 now, right? Of Apex, Robin, somewhere around that area. Getting close to $500,000 from Apex. Yep, Robin will be here live. So that's the new thing. That's kind of the new thing that's been getting started now, is having guests, and I think that's going to help the stream both, help people that are listening as well as, finding some more popularity to the stream. Robin will be here this month. CFT will be back. RJ will be back. If only we could get Ace Trades. Ace. Oh, 60. You know what? That's pretty good. Yeah, but yeah, that's true. AMP does give free quant tower. Ace, I will. I'll get I'll bypass you and get Mrs. Ace to approve for you. That's my goal, is to just continue to be a help. Wow, look at this. I didn't realize how far we were falling. So this candle is down 177 points, this hourly candle, and that was followed by 112. Wow. Seriously? Do I have a chance here, Ace, to get you on? My floppy earphone. Oh, yeah. Gore the like button if you haven't. You got to see my ugly mug now for 20 minutes, so gore the like button. That is awesome. That's like the best news today, Ace. John DeFord, the next time you have a day off, we need to have you on too. You can talk to us about the wonders of gasoline futures. Yeah. So now, yeah, a lot of people have said I should be on camera every day. That it helps make the stream feel more personal and might bring in more people. My problem with that is, and I've gotten comfortable with being on camera some, but if I'm on camera for 3 hours, I just know I'm gonna like pick my nose or do something weird. And I've seen people make the gifs of Trades by Matt, and I don't want to be a gif. People like a different perspective. I mean, look, I got 19 people trading platinum. I don't know, I think he was doing better when he was 14 than he has been since the All-Star break. Yeah, I cover the hair with the hat. Still falling. Free falling. Well, there you go. You actually saw me sing. Oh, crap. You know what? I'm still in a platinum trade. I have no idea. Totally forgot about it. It's down. I'm down $95. Now it's 100. It gave me chances to get out twice, and I didn't. We'll see what happens. So, yeah. 3 years. Let's hope for another 3 or more. Hopefully the prop firm world is around in another 3 years. Well, 30? That could depend on whether I get the weight down and get all that figured out. Or I might need the name of Ace's surgeon. Actually have him scheduled coming back on the 16th. Yeah, for those who didn't see, this is our September events. September 10th, my 8-hour birthday stream. RJ will be joining me, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. September 11th, Robin, aka For Money. 13th and the 27th will be over at the Funded Futures Network Discord. September 20th, our Europe stream with RJ from 2:30 to 11:30 a.m. 16th, Monday evening stream returns. And the 24th, CFT joins us live as well. Yeah, I do, John, and I need to. That's why I keep those up, just because it helps grow the community. Yeah, she did. Jazz, that's a good question. I mean, I'm sure that 5 years ago people would say they would be gone, and we're still here and growing. There's going to be a reckoning one day, whether that's a regulation or whether that's a huge failure or something. I think props are still going to be around, but I think things are going to be different in 5 years. There's some things that can't continue that's going on right now, in my opinion, but I think they can continue for a while yet. But then something big's going to happen to cause change. Thank you, Greg. You missed it, but I gave you props earlier for being part of the community and really helping help the MightyOxTrading Discord grow. Yeah, I mean, we have another straight to funded company launching on Friday. Cheaper prices than Fast Track and all, and I don't see how the prices are going to be sustainable. So, but I don't know. I don't think regulation is going to come in at some point. I just think it's going to be slow. Everyone's thinking it's right around the corner, but I don't. I think it's going to be not for a while. But I don't know for sure. Nobody knows for sure. Yes, it's very nice to see Matt. Matt's been hanging around the Discord more, and he's entered the Platinum Challenge. So I'm very happy to see Matt. Matt was a big part of my support. He himself convinced me not to quit trading a few times back in the early days, and he put a lot of work into trying to get algos to work for us. And the market just changes too much. But the amount of work he put in and that's how the Discord started, guys. For those that don't know, the Discord's going on 2 years, and it started with me, Chef, Justin Eck, and Matt as just a place for us to talk about the algo work that we were trying to do. And we invited CFT and John Burrell there as well. And then after a couple of weeks, we said, hey, let's just open up a Discord for everybody. Earn the Trade's Discord was going downhill. Earn the Trade was going downhill. So we said, let's open a Discord. And now the Discord's over 1,000 members. I agree with that, RJ. I don't think Matt can, because Matt's, I think, at work. But Matt's always welcome to come on with you as well. But if he can, absolutely, I would have Matt on. working on Chef too if he can find time. Yes, Matt is good people. Yeah, well, RJ's good at getting his own show. Well, we'll just give him the afternoon slot. We'll become like Top Step TV around the clock. So tomorrow, I guess I'll take duct tape and wrap it completely around my head, so the headphone stays on. So as I talked, the market crashed. I wonder if I talk tomorrow if we'll go to zero. I'll have to figure out headphones. I didn't want to have to spend another $150 on headphones, but I guess I will. So that does wrap up our time. Wasn't a great trading day for me, but it was a great day overall for me. And again, I thank you all. You can. Matt, if you can see, you probably can't see. You probably can't watch. It's like. Well, that probably sounds important. Kind of surprised that it broke where it broke. Yeah, I went a little too cheap with this $20 one. That means I probably stopped out. Yeah, I did stop out of my platinum trade. Anyway, guys, we've reached the top of the hour, and I do want to thank you all, not just for today, but for every day for the last 3 years. You are all awesome, and I really appreciate it. We'll be back tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, like always. Thank you, everybody, from the bottom of my heart. Have a great day. Thanks again. Bye. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.